The holiday season is in full swing, and while there's still so much to do, we're loving every step of this adventure. Today we'll tackle some exciting projects and continue getting Yabá ready for her first Christmas. Let's dive in, because there is so much ahead. Good morning and welcome to day 5 out of 25 videos that we're going to post every single day until Christmas. It is super hot, but the heat today is no excuse. We're going to work hard to get that bathroom finished today. One more minute of relaxing, floating around, and then I'm going to have breakfast and get cracking. I hope you enjoy these videos. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and also don't forget to like this video if you enjoy it and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with everything we're posting. See you in a minute. Back to work. Yesterday we managed to almost close all of this. Once they're all cut, I'm going to cover them all in epoxy resin to make sure they don't go bad or rot over time. You know what the rule says, start mixing epoxy and you'll get a few raindrops. I think it's already stopping, but just to be sure I am going to put the planks inside. It is marine grade plywood, it's called Copaíba. Copaíba is the wood that we've used for all the plywoods in the boat except for the occasional one like that, which is cedar. The backs of them have 2 coats of epoxy and the fronts have 1 because once it's installed I can always add another one. I think I'm going to go into, if I can get in there. So
I'll think about it.
MP's going to work on the other bulkhead on the other side. I'm going to wait, I'm not just going to wait for everything to dry and cure. Sorry. I think I can start fastening all that into place. So when everything is cured, I can start just mounting everything. Let's see how this works. You have to be going for a swim yesterday. It works. Chucked it in a bucket of fresh water and then let it dry in the sun. Now I think I will unscrew it at some point and put some some electrical cleaner in it. For now it works. Don't speak too soon. It stopped working. So, now that battery is going away anyway. We didn't want to keep it. It's a lithium ion battery that's been in the water and got salty, so this is going off the boat and going to be disposed of properly. I'm happy about that. Very, very happy. I think we're doing really good with our progress until now. What is it, day 4?
5.
5? Day 5, and we've finished the mast cap, backstays, top masts. We then moved over to here, and I know it doesn't look like much now because it was a lot of preparation to get where we are now. Hopefully when the epoxy cures to go really, really fast because all the pieces are made. And also we've got the corridor bulkheads painted by the marvelous MP. So this is ready. This has got a coat on already.
2.
2 coats. That looks really nice. And then now we're gonna start on that one.
After all the effort I put to make this wall look spotless, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna hide it. No one will ever see how nicely painted this wall is. But it's for a good reason. Wanna know what? You ready? I'm so excited about this. It's definitely not on a top priority list, but I really wanna do it. Look.
Shut it, it's a surprise.
Is it?
No, it's a surprise.
Why?
I decided, so we're gonna make the frame now, and then we'll put it up.
Okay. That's evil.
I saw you under a tall pine tree. Had your head up in the clouds, reading Agatha Christie with an ice cold drink sitting at your feet. You did not need me then, but I said, darling, how'd you like to get dangerous? I think you and me could take a little time, we could sail the seas and get wilder. We could get a little wilder.
Don't scratch the walls.
Yeah, don't scratch the walls.
Good, isn't it?
We could get a little wilder than we are. Remember that time when you were home alone? I pretended to be someone that you did not know.
Okay, then test it.
With a spatula. When you found out it was me, I said, darling, how do you like to live dangerous?
Nice.
I see now.
I bought this a while ago and I thought one day this will come in handy.
No, she's still leaking around here.
How to mitre for dummies. Okay, we've got the main square. The reason I ended up doing these little blocks on the corners is this jig doesn't allow me to screw anything through it. So now they're all in place and now I can take my time to put a nail or a screw through them. Let's make sure it's at a right angle and then we'll start placing some, what do you call them in English? In Portuguese they're called French hands. No idea why. So let's get a
Esquadro.
esquadro and we'll get it done. It's pretty good. That one a bit, not so much. This one we'll start with.
Want me to hold it?
Last one, and then we're done. What's the middle of 126? 68. What are we looking for?
I know it sounds silly. We're looking for staples so we can work on our next project.
We wanted to give you guys a nice finish for today. We have looked under there, in those boxes, in that box, and all these boxes, under here, behind the sofa, in all of those, in there. And I think we're gonna have to give up because you've got to edit.
I don't want to give up. I'm so excited about this project. This is our frame done for our secret canvas that we're gonna put here, but we cannot find staples, so this
We looked absolutely everywhere.
everywhere.
We had them. We have them.
We have them. We just need to find them. But this is how far we can get.
So until then, you
today.
get us to look at through the frame.
Isn't
So
this a beautiful picture?
thank you so much for watching this episode. Tomorrow is going to be a big day because every single piece for the shower box is ready. It just has to be put in place. Guys, there's so much to do. We'll see.
See.
I'll try and have a shower later. But thank you so much for watching this episode. Hope you enjoy this frame over here. And we will see you guys tomorrow on
For our
day
day
6. I think you're doing amazing, Amor. And you guys too, thank you so much. If you have any questions, don't forget to comment below. And don't forget to click that like button as well, because we love you if you click that like button. We'll love you no matter what, but when you click that like button, even more.
Even more.
See you guys tomorrow.